What's up, guys? So today I'll be showing you how you could make 1,000 naira and above with your smartphone by just doing some simple tasks. This platform I'm going to show you now is like a multiple platform where you could use to make money and also to use to also trade your goods. Like it's free. You could actually post your products online like anything for free and you get sales instantly. Like it's a very good platform. You could make money from this platform and you could also sell your stuff, like any stuff you have, be it electronics, mobile phones, your smartphones, and maybe other things, and even services you could render. You could post it on this platform and you get customers. So before we head right into this, if you are new to this channel, you're welcome to Niger Cruise Entertainment Hustle Crew. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And I promise to keep bringing you good updates. So let's head right into this. The name of this platform is Jiji. I don't know if you've heard about Jiji. You must have heard about it because it's like one of the popular e-commerce website in Nigeria whereby you buy and sell goods online. So this platform, they are actually offering a free service whereby you could post your goods on the platform and you get sales. Like wherever you are around Nigeria, you just post it on this platform, then you get buyers or customers coming for your service. So let's head right into this. So we'll be looking at the aspect of making money with it right now. So if you don't have the app, I'll be dropping the link to this app on my description box or on the comment section. So just check right into there, because if you don't follow my link, you won't be able to get this offer that I'm going to show you right now. So if you don't have it, you click on the link on my description or on the comment section. So let's head right into this now. So once you click on the link, it will direct you to Play Store, whereby once you click on the link, it directs you to Play Store where you download the app. After you download it, you come into the app, then you register. You follow the procedures to register. After registering, you could now be the platform, you'll be now be signed in, and it will look like this. So after registering, you click on the profile section, because for you to get this offer now, you have to verify your phone number. And what are they giving? They are giving 100 naira both for you and your referral. It's like a win-win for both of you. Once you invite a friend, you get 100 naira and the friend also get 100 naira. This platform is a very nice platform. Like you could sell your goods and you could also invite friends and get money from it. What else do you actually need? Just imagine gathering your whole friends, you invite them, they register. All they have to do is just to verify their phone number. That's all. You don't need any other struggle to get this bonus. So once you've logged in, you click on the profile below here. Once you click on this profile, so you could actually see how this place look like. They say make money, get 100 naira for every friend, and the rest of it. So once you want to make money from it, you click on get 100 naira. I'm making this video very brief so that I don't take all your time. So you see how it looks like. Once you click on the copy here, you copy your link, then you paste it to your friends. So let's read this together. They say earn 100 naira for every friend. So your network determines your net worth. Invite your friends to Jiji and get 100 naira for each one who simply registers and confirm their phone number. You can see, just to confirm their phone number, once they have verified their phone number, they also get 100 naira too. This means 100 naira invited friends will make you this means 100 invited friends will make you 10,000 richer. You could actually see, like, it's a very easy and good way to make money. As you all know, I told you on this platform, there is no how you will be on this my channel without you making money. At least, even if it's just a side hustle money which you could use to buy data, to subscribe, and so on. You must make money on on this my channel, because I'll be bringing you back to back ways to make money. So this is how you make money. Once you have invited a friend, actually I registered not too long ago, so I've not invited anybody yet, but I'm working towards that. I have already told my friends about it, and they are already gonna download it and register. So once you have invited your friend as they register, and you they confirm their phone number, they will all appear on this section. Now this section that we are in, they will appear below, and you see them. And once when they are here, once they have done all those things, you will see redeem. You will see redeem somewhere around here. You see redeem somewhere around here. The button will come around here. So once they have confirmed, you could actually redeem the money into your bank account, or you could use it to collect airtime or so. So this platform is a very nice way to make money online. So let's click on the sell, so that you could see, like, if you are interested in selling your goods for free, you could actually click on this sell here. So let's see how the sell look like. So you could actually see new advert. So if you are trying to sell clothing, you click on the clothing. Let me click on the category here. You could see there are different things: clothing, accessories, jewelries, shoes, watches, wedding wears, and accessories. So let me click on this arrow back, so you could see the main categories here. Now look at it: agriculture and food, animal and pet, babies and kids, commercial equipment and tools, equipment, electronics, fashions, health and beauty, home furniture and appliances, jobs. You could see there are many services you could render here. So once you pick on any one of it, so you click on, let me click on the electronics now. So you see, once you click on the electronics, okay, let me click on computer accessories. So once you click on the computer accessories, you upload the pictures of the accessories you want to sell. So you actually put all the details of it, and you put the price which you want to sell it. So you can see mine is here. So you could actually see, they say top best offer 7 day. Okay, you can see standard ad is free. The standard ad here is free. You could actually pay this for free, and you could actually pay for their top best offers. This is 2,700 for 7 days, and for the 30 days is 8,900. It's not necessary to pay for this. You could actually still use the standard ad and still make sales on this platform. So this platform is a very nice platform. This is not a paid advert or whatsoever. This is just a way I'm going to show you how to make money. You could actually use this platform to actually make money through, like, use it as a side also to make money from your friends. And if you have not watched the rest of my videos, the one I posted, how to make money on cheaper cash, whereby you get 600 naira per referral, and Pampay, whereby you get 500 naira per referral, and OP, whereby you get 600 naira per referral. Please check my previous videos, you'll see them, then you watch them and know how to make money. I assure you that you're gonna make money once you are on this platform. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll bring it to you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.